Hey guys, today we're going to be testing out the Vivitar T100 compact 35mm camera. I bought this off of eBay, brand new, surprisingly it's never been opened. So let's go ahead and unbox it. There's nothing too special about this camera, it's just a cheap plastic camera. But you know that I love to test these out and see what the results are. So let's get started. One really nice thing about this camera is it actually has a cover for the lens. So instead of having like a lens cap, it has a nice little slide right here where you can just press it over, push it over, and you're going to cover up the lens so you don't have to worry about getting anything on the lens. Although this is not a camera that I would be specifically worried about that with because of the price point and because of the quality. So let's look at it compared to the Lomo Aquapix just to get an idea of the quality. They're very, very similar. In fact, a lot of the elements look the same. I'm gonna let you kind of compare these yourself just by looking at them, but they are very similar in build quality. Adding the film is, as you would imagine, a little bit difficult because it tends to be on these cheaper cameras. You have to get it just the right way and you have to get it to catch on those teeth to really pull through. So the film took me a couple tries to actually get into this camera. One thing I really do love though is the cheap plasticky sound of all of these really, really inexpensive cameras. My results were not amazing, and I didn't expect them to be. Most of the photos didn't turn out the way I wanted them to, but my focus was really on low light situations and capturing the light that is available. So I'm happy with some of the shots that I got, and I'm going to show you those, but I also use expired film, which is something that I do all the time, so that could be why some of the results were not so great. I want to give a huge shout out to oldschoolphotolab.com. They have been my photo lab from the start. I send my film to them because I trust them and I know that I'm always going to get quick professional results. So if you're looking for a photo lab, definitely check out oldschoolphotolab.com. I'm going to put the link to them in the description. So without further ado, here are my photos. If you love film photography and cameras and all of that cool stuff, consider subscribing.